If I click it.
I don't know, bro. Try it out.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're actually going to be shooting a Porsche Spyder, one of the newer ones, but as you can see, we're getting picked up. And speaking of that, actually, funny enough, that's our ride. That was perfect timing. I did not plan that at all.
This is Kyle. My car is absolutely obliterated, as you saw, but we're in the M sizzle. We're gonna go to Mexico, right? We're gonna go to Mexico. Yeah. It's actually right down the street.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you show me the directions?
No.
I mean, not gay. I'm literally
I have a button. Yo, what happens if I click it?
I don't know, bro. Try it out.
Oh! 10 points? Look out! Oh my god.
You're gonna dox me.
No, we're not. So this is a cold startup on a 21 Spyder. Alright, so this is the Spyder, that's the M2, and this is Kyle.
Hello.
But we only came for Kyle, because he said he's going to give me free chicken. And I mean...
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Officially made it to Mexico. We're in Mexico, we had to go out of Mexico, go to Kyle's house, get the Porsche, now we're in Mexico. And oh my god! Mexico's pretty good this time of year. So we just put the top down on the Spyder. We got my Canon T6 with the K&F concept filter and the kit lens. We're gonna be shooting this car. Absolutely stunning, but we're gonna go to the GoPro. Ready? Go.
All right, boom. We're gonna get some practice shots of the Spyder and then the M2. Your first shot on your camera is always gonna be the worst, no matter what. I think it sounds so nice.
Dude, it rolling away from me.
Oh, this thing sounds menacing, and it looks so good. Go this way. Like, go as close as possible. This way, come forward. And this way. Let's try to get a lower angle. Oh yeah, that's mint. That is very mint. Perfect. And then this interior is absolutely nutty with the Alcantara seats and the red interior. Oh, and top down cars, you can just get like the best shots of like the interior. I don't know if you guys see the vision that I'm going for with the trees, but we gotta walk over all this. Oh my God, ow. Sorry, Mr. Tree. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. The whole look of this car. It just sucks that like everything's so dead because it's like in the middle of March. Or not the middle of March, it's the beginning of March. So what I've been really liking lately is these shots that are like super far away. So I'll walk all the way over here just to get a really nice shot like this. We're just gonna use this pole right here. That's so nice.
I love you.
Side profile, line it up, perfect. Oh, nice. Let's do one like this. The colors are just working so well. All right, let's get some nice side angle shots, the wheel. So like coming down like this. I don't usually take shots like this, but sometimes you gotta expand your photography. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, that's nice.
If you want to see all these photos, they're going to be down on my Instagram below, bar_cu2. I know this is an odd video, and it's a very big part of my life you guys actually don't get to see, is my photography career. So if you guys like it, comment down below if you want more. And if you want to edit like me, there's going to be a link below to my Lightroom preset pack. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let me know if you want more of these.
All right, we're gonna put down the camera, go get some footage. Oh wait, no, I lied. We're not putting down the camera. We're actually bringing the camera in the porch so we can get some interior shots while he's driving, and then get some rollers. We're gonna hop back in the M2 and get some rollers. It's a lot going on here, but let's make it work. So we're putting the mic on the porch. Go to the phone.
That sounds so nice. Oh my God.
Oh my God. I got you. Thank you.
Yeah.
On the middle of 195, hopping back into the M2. Unlock the door, Kyle. Unlock. Oh wait, I gotta grab my mic. Hopping in. Hold on, let me turn that off. Oh my God.
Hey,
We're a smart bunch of people.
all right, you're good.
we're very bright.
special.
He knows to be in the right lane, right?
I'll tell him. He'll figure it out.
You need to roll down this window, yeah.
So in conclusion, I'm an idiot and didn't film me taking rollers at all, which this has happened many times in the past with many other videos. But with that being said, hope you enjoy these few roller shots. If you want to see everything, go over to the Instagram. Anyway, back to the video.
Not bad. It's just like he needs that minivan needs to fucking move. Please? Hello? Maybe? Busy. Stop telling me you're busy. No. For some gas station photos though. Those rollers that we took were insane though.
I will be in that picture with my middle finger.
I gotta back up. I just back into the road. The composure is just like all over the place with the shadows, the sun.
You sing like directly to trees.
No, I know. yeah, yeah.
Small tank, small
They better give us free gas for this free promo, bro.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it's a different type of video and we haven't really filmed that type of video before. Photography video, but a lot of you guys on my Instagram, on my bar Instagram, wanted me to film that. Not a lot of you scooter kids. Trust me, there will be more scooter videos. I am moving into less scooter videos. I mean, it's just who I am as a person. I do ride decently. I ride almost every day, at least twice a week, 3 times a week. But this is definitely a big hindrance on any of that. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And honestly, I don't know. Do we get rid of Ruby? I know in like one of my other videos I said do we wrap it, but clearly she's going through some hard times. So do we get rid of her? Do we get a new car? Do we keep Ruby? Do we fix her until I stop breathing? One of the best car anyone can own. She's driven me all the way to California, all the way to Florida, all the way to see Alex. We've had so many adventures, so many times. I've crashed her more times than I can count. And honestly, 95% of the time, it's not even my fault. Like, it's just, this car is like a bad luck charm or something. I don't really know, but I did just fix the damage from the crash out in California or Nevada, but now we got to deal with of this. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.